I'm unsure if Tam Gander is going with anyone as well, so maybe you guys could ask her as well.
I'm gonna quote them then.
All right.
Thank
Thank you, Lady Ro.
Ow!
Oh, hello, my Queen Tam Gander.
Yes, Jonathan. Yes. What is happening? What is?
Bam, me. And you call me.
And I see that Roa is spamming for you.
Yes.
Okay. Call me. Call me Tam.
Someone unkind.
Ow!
Give someone 30
I
construction
am going
boxes.
to die.
Is she gonna call me?
Yes.
Stay
Continue.
alive, my queen.
It is very difficult to stay alive.
It is quite scary over here.
It is
I will-
indeed a battlefield.
Let you call Roa since she seems insistent on reaching you.
Well, let me know if anything happens.
I will call again. Farewell.
Oh, Payson is calling me.
Okay.
Well, let me know.
Yes,
Thank you.
Don't worry, I'll let you. Do you have upgrades for your weapon? Because we need to be very strong for the next one.
I should. Yes.
Okay, perfect.
I should be okay.
Okay, perfect. I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Timmy Tam? Tum Tam? Pam Pam? Boom Boom? Boom Boom?
Yes. Okay. Yes, Roa. Yes. That is not my name. Why are you laughing? So you know that you're saying my name wrong, right?
What are you talking about? I was just singing a song. Ping ping boom boom bam 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 ding 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 ding.
Ow!
Bam 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 bam.
Roa, I am in the middle of a battlefield. I do not need you to mock me in this very moment.
I'm not mocking you. I'm just happy to talk to you.
Well, you know, that's very kind of you. What? How can I help you?
Listen, when you gonna come labyrinth with me? New labyrinth with me? With me?
What? Could you repeat that?
Are you gonna come?
Ow!
You gonna come with a new labyrinth with me?
Yes, I would love to. Ow!
Payson and Imerkind are also joining.
Ow!
Oh, okay.
Wonderful.
Okay, what you wait for me, and we go. We're waiting for Imerkind.
Ow!
Ow! Yeah, this can be good for my new music. Ow!
Roa, I am dying. Roa, I am literally dying, and you are
Never
making fun of
kill
me.
yourself.
I'm not killing myself.
Never don't give up. Don't give up.
I have a feeling that you are laughing at me, not laughing with me.
I need you to come with me later. Don't leave me, Pam. No, don't kill yourself just yet. No,
I'm not killing myself.
No, don't do that.
I'm not killing myself.
Don't do that. Why would you do this to
I would not do
yourself?
such a thing.
Oh, do that. Okay.
Ow.
No, don't do that to yourself. No.
I'm not doing that to myself.
Sorry, Juliet. I'm talking to someone who's trying to kill herself. One second.
yes,
don't do that.
I'm not killing myself.
Don't do that. No. I call you with your right name. Don't do that, okay? You're a little dramatic over this. You don't have
I'm
to
not
react
being
like-
dramatic. I'm being surrounded by monsters who are eagerly waiting to kill me.
No, that's the wrong way
Oh
to
my
approach the
God.
problem. Oh, by the way, if you need the legendary stones, I'm gonna buy. I'm selling them because I think you need.
Oh, the Smith stones. Yeah. Okay, you don't have to say that last part. But thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm selling them.
For how much?
How much you desire?
1.
1,000. Okay. Deal.
What?
Okay.
What? Ow!
Okay, I will keep there.
Ow!
You should buy an upgrade right now from my store. Right now. Like now.
I should. Thank you. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Yeah.
Thank you. I will do
See you
that.
later.
Bye! Ow! Ow! Why are you not hanging up? What? What?
Bam, 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 boom, boom, bam, bam, boom, boom,
Okay.
bam, bam, boom, boom, bam, bam,
Okay.
boom. Bam, bam, boom, boom, bam, bam, boom.
Okay.
Bam, bam, boom, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, 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 boom, boom, bam, bam,
I
bam, bam,
have
bam,
died God knows how many times,
bam, bam, bam.
and you are here to mock me.
No,
Laugh at my
no,
deaths.
No, sorry, I forgot that we were sitting.
Mock my self-sacrifice with a boom boom bampa boom boom bampa.